Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you some of the secret features you might have known about. Uh, iPad 9 generation is a very handy device if you use it perfectly. I'll give you some secret tips that might help you while using when you use your iPad 9 generation. So we'll start with some secret features you can use if you don't know about it. First feature is if you want to use, there's a feature which is a quick note. So if you want to write, or if you want to have some quick note, how can you do that? You just need to swipe up from the right bottom and the quick note will be open. Now you can create your own new uh, quick note as soon as possible. Sometimes we don't have a time to write notes, so this feature can be handful. And there's one more feature that I liked about, which is the four finger swipe left and right. If you want to switch between two application as soon as possible, you just need to swipe up from left to right to switch from any between to any app. Like if I open this application and I have already used this application. Now if I want to switch between two applications, you just need to swipe from left to right, and you can do the same vice versa. So that's how you can switch between two applications. So sometime since it has no back button, so it can be very irritating. So that's why these features are made for the iPad 9 generations, and it can be very handful if you are in any deadline work. So this feature might help you. And one more option, guys, one more feature which I really like about iPad 9 generation: you don't have to press any buttons to take a screenshot. We usually take lots of screenshot on our device, whether it is mobile or a tablet. So there is a feature which is you just need to swipe from left bottom to take a screenshot, and now you can write anything on your screenshot to highlight it. Like if I want to highlight this part, you can use it. It's markers here, and with different markers, so you can use it to mark up any image, and you can save it in any ratio if you want. So this is the feature I just wanted to share you. I wanted to share you if you have your iPad 9 generation or any iPad. So hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.